Alright. Well, for everyone else, let's get ripping. Good luck to everyone, and let's get ripping. First pack. Yeah, Chris, like I said, can you just send me a message on eBay with like a screenshot of that? So if not, we're just going to have to resolve it with PayPal and eBay afterwards. Alright, papers first. Jackson Rutledge, Gilberto Jimenez, Marco Luciano, Takoa Roby, Matthew Liberator, Laika Williams, Dan Aker, Cameron Mulzinski, Carson Ragsdale, Nick Bitsko, Jackson Cower, Bryce Jarvis, Jordan Balzovich, Nick Gonzalez, Reese Hines, Logan Gilbert, Isaiah Green, Kyle Nicholas, JJ Goss, Slade Ciccione, Jaron Duran, Garrett Mitchell, Corbin Carroll, Shane Boz, Ryan Jensen, Nick York, Geraldo Perdomo, Dylan Dangler, Luke Little, Xavier Edwards, Asa Lacey, Aaron Shortridge, Travis Swaggerty, Landon Knack, Louise Gill, Drew Romo, Ian Bedell, and Bobby Miller. On to the Chromes we go. First up, we got a nice refractor. First Bowman for the Cardinals, Mason Wynn. First Bowman refractor for the Diamondbacks, Brandon Fant. Refractor for the Diamondbacks, Christian Robinson. And another refractor for the Indians, Tyler Freeman. Then we got a nice glimpse of greatness, Riley Green for the Tigers. Luke Little, Cubs. Daxon Fulton, Marlins. Colt Keith, Tigers. Mason Wynn, Cardinals. Brandon Fant, Diamondbacks. Trey Cruz, Tigers. Brett Batty, Mets. Addison Coffey, White Sox. Zach Daniels, Astros. Brennan Davis, Cubs. Bryce Bonnin, Reds. Hunter Green, Reds. Holden Powell, Nationals. Adley Rushman, Orioles. Tyler Brown, Astros. Ryan Rolison, Rockies. And we got a nice applied pressure. Davis for the Chicago Cubs. Brennan Davis, applied pressure for the Chicago Cubs. On to bottom portion of pack number 1. We are starting off with a refractor auto. Nice. We got some numbered out of 499. Quinn Cotton, Jordan Adams, Zach Deloach, Adam Seminaris, Jimmy Glaumke, Nick Ludlow, O'Neill Cruz, Nick Lofton, Austin Wells, Warner Blakely, Justin Foscue, Tristan Casas, Max Meyer, Riley Green, Jeff Criswell, Marco Raya, Tanner Burns, Ian Seymour, Jeremiah Jackson, Carson Tucker, Christian Chamberlain, Jordan Westberg, Daniel Espino, Cole Henry, Alec Thomas, Clayton Beater, Ronaldo Hernandez, Hunter Bernhardt, Joey Cantillo, Cody O's, RJ Davovich, Garrett Crochet, Spencer Torkelson, Jeter Downs, Cade Cavalli, Miguel Amaya, Chris McMahon, AJ Vukovic. On to the Chromes we go. We got another refractor for the Diamondbacks. Alec Thomas, Diamondbacks. First Bowman refractor, Petey Halpin, Indians. First Bowman refractor, Will Klein, Royals. And a first Bowman refractor for the Twins, Aleric Soler. Nice. 3 first Bowman refractors. Very nice. Then for the Pirates, we have franchise futures, Nick Gonzalez, Cameron Mulzinski, Alec Thomas, Diamondbacks, Petey Halpin, Indians, Robert Paulson, A's, Freddie Zamora, Brewers, Shane Drowan, Red Sox, Owen Cassie, Padres, Jack Bloomgren, Rockies, Evan Carter, Rangers, Justin Lang, Padres, Joe Boyle, Reds, Logan Allen, Indians, Will Klein Royals, Aleric Soler Twins, Matthew Dyer Mets, Keone Cavaco Twins, Michael Busch Dodgers, and the auto behind him is a New York Met. It's Eric Orze, 136 of 499. Nice card there for the New York Mets. Eric Orze, pitcher for the Mets. First Bowman out of 499. Nice card there for Daniel L. Very nice card. On to pack 2 we go. Matthew Liberator, Quinn Cotton, Jordan Adams, Zach DeLoach, Quinn Priester, Corey Lee, Mark Vientos, Alika Williams, Dan Aker, Alex Santos, Shaylin Glears, Nick Garcia, Grayson Rodriguez, Xavier Warren, Bobby Witt Jr., Trevor Hauber, Ethan Hankins, Bryce Bonnin, Hunter Green, Andrew Vaughn, Gage Workman, Brady McConnell, Jared Jones, Freddie Zamora, Shane Drowan, Nick York, Geraldo Perdomo, Dylan Dangler, Luke Little, Xavier Edwards, Asa Lacy, Aaron Shortridge, Clayton Beater, Ian Bedell, Bobby Miller, RJ Devovich, Garrett Crochet, Spencer Torkelson, and behind him we have a blue paper. And it is a Royal. It's Jackson Cower out of 150. Nice paper card there for the Royals. Jackson Cower, 45 of 150. On to the Chromes we go, and we start off with a Detroit Tigers. First Bowman, refracting Dylan Dingler. Woof. Sorry, guys. Next up, refractor first Bowman for the Cubs, Luke Little. Refractor, Michael Toglia, Rockies. Refractor first Bowman, Trent Palmer for the Blue Jays. After that, we got Andrew Vaughn, Cole Henry, Jay Groom, Casey Schmidt, George Kirby, Mike Ciani, Jareer Encarnacion, David Calabrese, Nolan Gorman, Reese Hines, Logan Gilbert, Isaiah Green, Riley Green, Jeff Criswell, Marco Raya, Tanner Burns, Hans Kraus, and we get a 20 and 20 for the Angels, Reed Detmers. Reed Detmers, 20 and 20 for the Angels. On to bottom portion of pack number 2. Let's get some more color autographs. Yes, we got color. Blue autograph out of 150 coming up. Purple following it. Start off with the papers though. Adam Seminaris, Jimmy Galauke, Nick Ludlow, O'Neill Cruz, Nick Lofton, Milan Tolentino, Nick Swiney, Cameron Mulzinski, Carson Ragsdale, Nick Bitsko, Jackson Cower, Bryce Jarvis, Reese Hines, Logan Gilbert, Isaiah Green, Riley Green, Jeff Criswell, Holden Powell, Adley Rushman, Bailey Horn, Burl Carway, Logan Hoffman, Slade Ciccione, Owen Cassie, Ronaldo Hernandez, Hunter Bernhardt, Joey Cantillo, Cody Hose, Josh Jung, Jeter Downs, Cade Cavalli, Miguel Amaya, Chris McMahon, AJ Vukovic, Tristan Lutz, Carter Balmer, Ben Hernandez, and Thomas Sagsey. On to the Chromes we go. Start off with the franchise futures for the Padres, Robert Hassel and Justin Lang. Following that, we got a nice first Bowman refractor for the Diamondbacks, Brandon Fant. First Bowman refractor, Trey Cruz for the Tigers. Ryan Rollison for the Rockies refractor. And a Justin Lang first Bowman refractor for the Padres. After that, the base chromes, we got Levi Prater Cardinals. Andrew Vaughn White Sox. Gage Workman, Tigers. Brady McConnell, Royals. Jared Jones, Pirates. Bailey Horn, White Sox. Burrow Carraway, Cubs. Logan Hoffman, Pirates. Austin Wells, Yankees. Werner Blakely, Angels. Justin Foscue, Rangers. Tristan Casas, Red Sox. Max Meyer, Marlins. Alexander Canairo, Giants. Tink Hentz, Cardinals. And the purple behind him, it's a first Bowman. It is Zach DeLoach at a 250. Nice card there for the Mariners. Zach DeLoach at a 250. 39 of 250 going to Michael G. Nice card, Michael. And the autograph behind him, we have a Toronto Blue Jay. It is Zach Britton out of 150. 140 of 150. Zach Britton, Toronto Blue Jays. Nice card there, Brad M. Brad M. We got a Zach Britton of 150 auto for the Toronto Blue Jays. Blue on blue. Very nice. Could we skip the paper? This is weak. I would love to skip the papers, but sometimes people say that they think they should have gotten more papers and whatnot. So to make us safe, we just got to read off the papers real fast. Jimmy Glamke, Nick Ludlow, O'Neill Cruz, Nick Lofton, Milan Tolentino, Nick Swiney, Anthony Volpe, Caden Polchovich, Tim Hentz, Michael Taglia, Trent Palmer, Julio Rodriguez, Sam Weatherly, Daniel Cabrera, Hayden Contrelli, Alex Santos, Shea Lingliers, Nick Garcia, Robert Hassel, David Calabrese, Nolan Gorman, Levi Prater, Andrew Vaughn, Gage Workman, Brett Batty, Aaron Shortridge, Clayton Beater, Ronaldo Hernandez, Hunter Bernhardt, Joey Cantillo, Cody Hose, Josh Jung, Sammy Infante, Kyle Espel, Zach McKembley, Aaron Ashby, Liam Norris, and we got a blue paper behind him, and it is Josh Jung, 490 of 499, going to the Texas Rangers. Josh Jung, 490 of 499. On to the chromes we go. Start off with another Detroit Tigers refractor, Trey Cruz first Bowman, Brett Batty refractor for the Mets, Quinn Priester refractor for the Pirates, and a Corey Lee refractor for the Astros. Next up, we got a glimpse of greatness, JJ Bleday for the Marlins, Josh Jung Rangers, Sammy Infante Nationals, Kyle Isbell Royals, Connor Phillips Mariners, Mitchell Parker Nationals, Hudson Haskin Orioles, Ryan Murphy Giants, Casey Martin Phillies, Jordan Adams Angels, Zach DeLoach Mariners, Adam Seminaris Angels, Jimmy Glamke Giants, Nick Ludlow Reds, Ed Howard Cubs, Trevor Lawrence Twins, Robert Hassel Padres, and a 20-20 for the Angels, Reed Detmers. Reed Detmers, 20-20 for the Angels. Bottom portion of pack 3. Color. Ooh, no color. No color. There's a speckle following the color. I mean the auto. Start off with the papers real quick. C.J. Abrams, Jordan Nwagu, Hunter Bishop, Austin Hendrick, Oswaldo Pereza, Pete Crow Armstrong, Bryson Stott, Jackson Miller, Christian Robinson, Tyler Freeman, Quinn Priester, Corey Lee. Mark Vientos, Grayson Rodriguez, Xavier Warren, Bobby Witt Jr., Trevor Hauber, Ethan Hankins, Heliot Ramos, Brady McConnell, Jared Jones, Bailey Horn, Burl Carway, Logan Hoffman, Addison Coffey, Connor Phillips, Mitchell Parker, Hudson Haskin, Ryan Murphy, Casey Martin, Ronnie Maurizio, Nico Holsizer, Owen Miller, Zach Veen, Jason Dominguez, Joe Ryan, Blake Rutherford, and Jesse Franklin. On to the Chromes we go. First up, Refractor, Robert Paulson, A's. Freddie Zamora's first Bowman Refractor, Brewers. Mets first Bowman Refractor, Matthew Dyer. And Twins, Keone Kabako Refractor. Following that, we got Franchise Futures, Ed Howard, Burl Carway for the Cubs. Ronnie Maurizio, Mets. Nico Holsizer, Rays. Owen Miller, Indians. Zach Veen, Rockies. Ryan Jensen, Cubs. Nick York, Red Sox. Geraldo Perdomo, Diamondbacks. Dylan Dingler, Tigers. Heliot Ramos, Giants. Kyle Nicholas, Marlins. JJ Goss, Rays. Ian Seymour, Rays. Jeremiah Jackson, Angels. Alec Burleson, Cardinals. JJ Bleday, Marlins. The speckle behind it is Jordan Adams for the Angels. Nice card there for the Angels. Jordan Adams, speckle. For the LA Angels, Anthony G. Nice card there. And the auto behind him. Good luck, everyone. It is a Pittsburgh Pirate. It is Cameron Moldzinski for the Pittsburgh Pirates. First Bowman autograph going to the Pittsburgh Pirates. Going to Enrique. Nice card there, Enrique. Cameron Moldzinski, first Bowman auto for the Pittsburgh Pirates. On to pack 4 we go. Could you slow down on the paper, LOL? I like a live chat. Top portion of pack 4. Here we go. Start off with the papers real quick. Milan Tolentino. Nick Swiney, Anthony Volpe, Caden Polchevich, C.J. Abrams, Jordan Uagu, Hunter Bishop, Austin Hendrick, Alexander Canairo, Tim Kentz, Michael Taglia, Trent Palmer, Hans Kraus, Michael Bush, Tyler Soderstrom, Case Williams, Reed Detmers, Alec Burleson, J.J. Bleday, Jay Groom, Casey Schmidt, George Kirby, Mike Ciani, Petey Halpin, Josh Jung, Sammy Infante, Kyle Isbell, Connor Phillips, Mitchell Parker, Hudson Haskin, Ryan Murphy, Casey Martin, Tristan Lutz, Carter Balmer, Ben Hernandez, Tom Sagassi, Zach McKemblay, and Aaron Ashby for the Brewers. On to the Chromes we go. First up, first Bowman Refractor for the Marlins, Daxton Fulton. Colt Keith, first Bowman Refractor for the Tigers. Julio Rodriguez Refractor for the Mariners. And a Sam Weatherly Refractor for the Colorado Rockies, first Bowman. Then we got a glimpse of greatness, J-Dom for the Yankees. Zach Britton, Blue Jays. C.J. Van Eyck, Blue Jays. Spencer Strider, Braves. Jared Schuster, Braves. Shane McClellan, Rays. Patrick Bailey, Giants. Jordan Groshans, Blue Jays. Emerson Hancock, Mariners. Tyler Soderstrom, A's. Case Williams, Rockies. Reed Detmers, Angels. D.L. Hall, Orioles. Heston Kjerstad, Orioles. Daniel Lynch, Royals, Daniel Cabrera, Tigers, Hayden Contrelli, Brewers, and a Jason Dominguez for the New York Yankees. On to bottom portion of pack 4 we go. No colored auto. Blue following the auto, though. Oswaldo Pereza, Pete Crow Armstrong, Bryson Stott, Jackson Miller, Jackson Rutledge, Gilberto Jimenez, Marco Luciano, Tekoa Roby, Julio Rodriguez, Sam Weatherly, Christian Robinson, Tyler Freeman, DL Hull, Heston Kjerstad, Daniel Lynch, Daniel Cabrera, Hayden Contrelli, Zach Daniels, Brennan Davis, Javier Encarnacion, David Calabrese, Nolan Gorman, Levi Prater, Robert Pawson, Ronnie Maurizio, Nico Holsizer, Owen Miller, Zach Bean, Ryan Jensen, Liam Norris, Jason Dominguez, Joe Ryan, Blake Rutherford, Jesse Franklin, Travis Swaggerty, Landon Knack, Luis Gill, and Drew Romo for the Rockies. On to the Chromes and Auto we go, starting off with franchise futures for the Marlins, Max Meyer, Dax Fulton. Nice card there for the Marlins. Refractor for the Mets, Brett Batty. First Bowman refractor for the White Sox, Addison Coffey. First Bowman refractor for the Reds, Joe Boyle. And first Bowman refractor, Logan Allen for the Indians. Next up, we got franchise futures, Zach Bean and Drew Romo for the Rockies. Following that, we got Francisco Alvarez, Jordan Walker, Shane Baz, Carson Tucker, Christian Chamberlain, Jordan Westberg, Daniel Espino, Alex Santos, Shaylin Glears, Nick Garcia, Grayson Rodriguez, Orioles, Xavier Warren, Brewers, Bobby Witt Jr., Royals, Trevor Hauber, Yankees, Ethan Hankins, Indians. The blue behind him is Grayson Rodriguez for the Orioles, number 92 of 150, going to the Baltimore Orioles. Nice card there for Tracy F. Tracy F. Grayson Rodriguez, 92 of 150, Grayson Rodriguez. The auto behind him. Ooh, this one's not upside down. We have Chicago White Sox. Addison Coffey, first Bowman auto, going to Chicago White Sox. Nice card there for Michael G. Addison Coffey, on-card auto, Chicago White Sox. On to pack number 5 we go. Yeah, I think that Dominguez is a short print, to be honest with you. I haven't seen that Dominguez either.
Which one?
The Dominguez? The Chrome? I think that is a short print Dominguez. That could be a really nice card.
Was it insert or?
No. It was a Chrome.
Really? Let me go through it. So I see the insert. Is it earlier?
No, last pack. Top portion of pack 4. Alright, pack 5, here we go. Bryson Stott, Jackson Miller, Jackson Rutledge, Gilberto Jimenez, Jackson Cower, Bryce Jarvis, Jordan Balzovich, Nick Gonzalez, Austin Wells, Isaiah Green, Riley Green, Jeff Criswell, Marco Raya, Tanner Burns, Hans Kraus, Michael Bush, Tyler Soderstrom, Matthew Dyer, Keone Cavaco, Jordan Westberg, Daniel Espino, Cole Henry, Jay Groom, Mason Wynn, Brandon Fant, Hudson Haskin, Ryan Murphy, Casey Martin, Ronnie Maurizio, Nico Holsizer, Owen Miller, Zach Bean, Ryan Jensen, Nick York, Ian Bedell, Bobby Miller, RJ Davovich, Garrett Crochet, and a Spencer Torkelson paper for the Tigers.
Yeah, there's that Dominguez. I think it's a short print as well.
Yeah, I think this Dominguez that we pulled earlier, that looks like a short print to me. Very nice card for the Yankees. On to the Chromes we go. We start off with an Addison Coffee, first Bowman Refractor, White Sox. Alec Thomas Refractor, Diamondbacks. Mark Vientos Refractor, Mets. And a Tampa Bay Rays, Aliko Williams, first Bowman Refractor, bang. Glimpse of Greatness, Spencer Torkelson, Tigers. Travis Swaggerty, Pirates. Landon Knack, Dodgers. Luis Gill, Yankees. Drew Romo, Rockies. Ian Bedell, Cardinals. Bobby Miller, Dodgers. RJ Dabovich, Giants. Garrett Crochet, White Sox. Anthony Volpe, Yankees. Caden Polshavich, Mariners. C.J. Abrams, Padres. Jordan Nwagu, Cubs. Hunter Bishop, Giants. Austin Hendrick, Reds. Oswaldo Pereza, Yankees. Pete Crow Armstrong, Mets. And an Emerson Hancock, 20-20 for the Seattle Mariners. Nice card there for the Mariners. 20-20, Emerson Hancock. On to bottom portion of pack number 5. Good luck to all. Last auto. Just so you guys know, we have 2 more breaks posted on eBay. 2 more Bowman Draft Super Jumbos. Wow, no color on the auto. Marco Luciano, Tekoa Roby, Matthew Liberator, Quinn Cotton, Jordan Adams, Zach DeLoach, Adam Seminares, Werner Blakely, Justin Foscue, Tristan Casas, Max Meyer, Alexander Canairo, Case Williams, Reed Detmers, D.L. Hall, Heston Kjerstad, Daniel Lynch, Ed Howard, Trevor Larm, Casey Schmidt, George Kirby, Mike Ciani, Jareer Encarnacion, Trey Cruz, Geraldo Perdomo, Dylan Dingler, Luke Little, Xavier Edwards, Asa Lacey, Jeter Downs, Kate Cavalli, Miguel Amaya, Chris McMahon, AJ Vukovic, Tristan Lutz, Carter Balmer, Ben Hernandez, and Thomas Sagsey. Final pack. Shane Drowan Refractor, Red Sox. Owen Cassie Refractor, Padres. Michael Busch Refractor, Dodgers. And a Tyler Soderstrom, first Bowman Refractor, A's. Following that, we got Franchise Futures. Robert Hassel, Justin Lang for the Padres. Xavier Edwards, Rays. Asa Lacey, Royals. Aaron Shortridge, Pirates. Clayton Beater, Dodgers. Ronaldo Hernandez, Rays. Hunter Bernhardt, Rays. Joey Cantillo, Indians. Cody Hose, Dodgers. Bryson Stott, Phillies. Jackson Miller, Reds. Jackson Rutledge, Nationals. Gilberto Jimenez, Red Sox. Marco Luciano, Giants. Tekoa Roby, Rangers. Matthew Liberator, Cardinals. Quinn Cotton, Reds. And our autograph is a bat. It's a Seattle Mariner. It is Caden Polovich for the Seattle Mariners. Nice card there for the Seattle Mariners. Caden Polchevich for the Seattle Mariners. Seattle going to Michael G. Nice card there, Michael G. Do a quick recap of the box. Oops. Good thing they're sleeved. Start off with that short print. Jason Dominguez for the Yankees. Grayson Rodriguez out of 150 Orioles. Jordan Adams Speckle for the Angels. Josh Jung paper for the Rangers out of 499. Zach DeLoach, first Bowman purple out of 250 chrome. Jackson Cowher paper out of 150 for the Royals. And on to our autos. Caden Polchevich, Mariners. Eric Orze out of 499 for the Mets. Zach Britton out of 150 for the Blue Jays. Cameron Moldzinski for the Pirates. And Addison Coffee for the White Sox. That's it for tonight. Thanks for joining South Shore Breakers, And please check out our eBay and Instagram page for future breaks. We do have 2 more Bowman Draft Super Jumbo Hobby Boxes listed for tomorrow night and Wednesday night. Thursday night, sorry. Tomorrow night and Thursday night. Thanks again, everyone. Until next time.